Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flag emails on your iPhone. So first you open your mail and then go to inbox, and then you could and then you choose the email you want to flag, and then you just swipe left and then tap the flag icon there. But if you want to flag multiple inbox messages, you tap on edit, and then you select the message you want to flag, tap there, and then tap mark, and then tap flag. So all of the emails you have selected are now flagged. So that's it for today, and I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.